What is up, y'all, and welcome back to Qui Nichelle. We're on the channel. Y'all know we talk about fashion, beauty, and life. And y'all, this is day 2. I don't know if I'm going to say like day 1, day 2. I'm not going to do that. I'm probably just going to put the date on every video so y'all can kind of, go with it like that. But make sure you do like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, make sure you tell a friend to tell a friend about Qui Nichelle, honey, because y'all know how we do on the channel. So, this is my breakfast. I just got through cooking. And that's 2 fried eggs and 3 pieces of turkey bacon. And then I'm not going to have a fruit blend. I cut me a peach. So I'm going to have a peach with my breakfast, and I'm going to drink water. So that's the breakfast for this morning. I don't know if I'm going to work out. I might work out because yesterday I did 20 minutes and then 7 minutes of 20 minutes on the walking pad and 7 minutes on the vibration plate. Now y'all let me know down in the comments, when you're on the vibration plate, is it normal for you to like itch and feel tingly? Because that's the reason I only did the 7 minutes, and it was on like the first setting or whatever. It wasn't even like a crazy setting or nothing, but I just get like itchy when I'm on it for too long. So I got off after 7 minutes, and like I said, I walked on the walking pad for 20 minutes. I do have some errands to run. So I don't know if I'm going to count that as like a workout, because I will be in and out of the car walking for a couple of hours today while I'm out. So I might let that be my workout. Also, y'all, hold on. I need to give me some more apple cider vinegar. This is at the very, very end. Because I think I'm going to go back to doing the apple cider vinegar, cayenne pepper, and lemon juice in some water. I think I'm going to start doing that every morning because I did that before, and it seemed like it helped curb my appetite. Yesterday I did really good. I really didn't get too hungry or, crave nothing bad or, nothing like that. But I do know during, the progression, your appetite gonna get back to kind of how it's used to eating and stuff like that, because I done dieted several times. So I think I'm gonna go back to trying to do this maybe 3 times a week, because I don't know if it's good to do it every single day. But I gotta go get some apple cider vinegar, some lemons and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm about to eat my breakfast before my eggs and bacon get cold. But that's what's for breakfast this morning. Of course, I'll show y'all what I have for lunch and dinner. And yeah.
I seen a hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna meet up. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper. Spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time. She's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time. She's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Let the girl say, excuse me, miss. Oh, yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say, oh. I know you're trying to leave. Miss, I see you.
Okay, so what's up, y'all? I'm here, and y'all, it is like 3:35 right now. I didn't eat nothing for lunch, y'all. I'm about to eat a beef stick, and I'm waiting on baby to pick me up because we need to go to the store. So I got a couple of things on the list that I need to pick up at the store. I did work out for 20 minutes only on the walking pad, which y'all would have already seen. Again, I didn't eat nothing for lunch, but I'm about to eat this because I'm dying of hunger. But being that it's 3:35, when we get back from the store, and y'all, I didn't even go to the stores that I said I was gonna go to because I had a long conversation with my cousin. So I didn't do nothing but eat my breakfast. I did my 20-minute walk, and that's really it. And yeah, so I'm about to eat this, and then I'm going to show y'all my dinner. We're doing like a seafood boil. Baby is gonna have like crab and lobster. I don't really I like lobster a little bit. I don't eat crab. But I'm gonna have shrimp, boiled eggs, and I think sausage. So I'll show y'all though when I get back and my dinner is done, and when I'll be wrapping up the video. But yeah, this really what's going on right now as far as my diet and what I'm eating and whatever. And y'all, that peach was so good this morning. I think I'm gonna get a couple of more peaches, maybe plums, maybe nectarines, but I may show y'all in another video on a grocery haul if we get enough stuff to do a grocery haul. But yeah, that's really what's going on. That's what I have eaten as far as today. Nothing too extreme. The 2 eggs, the 3 pieces of bacon, and the peach. And I'm gonna drink me some more water. I finished my water from this morning, but I'm gonna eat this and drink some more water. And then I'll be back when it's dinner time and wrapping up the video. What's up, y'all? So I'm in the car with baby. He just got off from work and we went. You gonna say hi to the people? He don't wanna say hi, y'all.
Hi, y'all.
No, we just came from Walmart for real. But I'm drinking a Sprite Zero. I know I said I'm not gonna have that much cold drink, but y'all, I'm really so hungry right now. I can't even think for real. But I'll be back. I'm just checking in and literally giving y'all an update on what I'm eating and drinking throughout the day or whatever. But I will be back when dinner is done for real. Now we're back closing out the video. It is 7:06 and I'm about to eat, but I'm gonna show y'all. I told y'all I was doing like a little boil. I think I told y'all that. I might have been on the grocery haul video, but anyway, we did like a boil. And hold on, y'all. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna show y'all my food. Give me a second. So I have shrimp, kielbasa, and 2 eggs. And I don't think I'm gonna eat the yolk, y'all, but I might eat the yolk. I don't know. But sometimes I don't like the egg yolk on boiled eggs. It just depends. But y'all, this is my dinner with my drink. I'm gonna finish this off and find me something to watch. But y'all, that is my day today. We'll be back tomorrow because I plan on documenting this until I guess I'm tired of documenting it. But thank y'all for the support. Thank y'all for following the channel and all of that. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, never forget to tell a friend about Qui Nichelle, because y'all know how we do on the channel. And y'all, we are out.